हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके एडुजोन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स ऑन करंट इंडियन एजुकेशन। व्हाट इज निष्ठा? निष्ठा is a capacity building program for improving quality of school education through integrated teacher training. When Nishtha program was launched? On 21 August 2019. First online Nishtha program launched in which state? In Andhra Pradesh. What is the full form of Nishtha? National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers' Holistic Advancement. What is Diksha? Diksha is an e-learning portal launched by MHRD for enabling smooth and hassle-free interaction between students and teachers. When Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan was launched? In March 2009. When Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was launched? In 2002. When Right to Education Act was passed? On 4th August 2009. When Right to Education Act came into force? On 1st April 2010. Which article of Indian Constitution recommended for free and compulsory primary education? Article 45. Which section of RTA Act 2009 prohibits physical punishment and mental harassment to child? Section 17. Which program was formed by merging SSA, RMSA and teacher education? Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Should be the PTR according to RTA Act 2009? Thirty is to 1 at primary level and 35 is to 1 at upper primary level. When RTA Act 2009 was implemented in Assam? On 7 July 2011. The Right to Education Act 2009 was based on which article? Article 21A. How many sections are there in RTA Act 2009? 38 sections. In which year Operation Blackboard was started? In 1987. Operation Blackboard was introduced to improve primary education. Which was the first education policy in India? National Policy of Education 1968. Navodaya Vidyalaya were started under which education policy? Under National Policy of Education 1986. Navodaya Vidyalaya provide education to rural talented students. Pare Bharat, Bhare Bharat is a part of which program? Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. When was the National Policy of Education 1986 was modified? In 1992. How many times education policy has come so far in the history of India? 3 times. Which was the second education policy in India? National Policy of Education 1986. National Assessment Center has been created to assess the students. What is its name? Parak. Which course has been abolished in the new education policy 2020? MPhil. Gross enrollment ratio in higher education is to be raised to 50% by which year? By 2035. The current 10+2 education system is to be replaced by a new system, that is 5+3+3+4. After how many years a new education policy is being implemented in the country? After 34 years. What name has been given to HRD Ministry in New Education Policy 2020? Ministry of Education. Under whose chairmanship, a new committee of experts drafted the New Education Policy 2020? Dr. Krishnaswamy Kasturirangan. What is the minimum class a student should be taught with his mother tongue? Class 5. Full form of NAC. National Assessment and Accreditation Council. By which year the New Education Policy 2020 aims to provide quality education to every child in the age group of 3 years to 18 years? By 2030. Under the RT Act 2009, the child right protection body in the state will be State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. As per the provisions of RTE, the nodal academic authority of the state will be SCERT. National Scheme for Incentives to Girls for Secondary Education was launched in May 2008. National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme was launched on May 2008. Scheme for Inclusive Education for Disabled at Secondary Stage was launched in April 2009. According to RT Act 2009, children of which age group will be provided free and compulsory education? 6 to 14 years. Elementary education covers education from class 1 to 8. Who is the mission director of Assam Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan mission? V. Kalyan Chakrabarti. Who is the director of Secondary Education Assam? Sri Phanindra Jidang. Full form of RT Act 2009. Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Full form of CCE. Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation. Full form of SCERT is State Council of Educational Research and Training. Full form of NCERT is National Council of Educational Research and Training. Full form of NCTE is National Council of Teacher Education. Full form of DIET is District Institute for Education and Training.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।